Measure and cut the sill to the width of the door opening. The sill can either be straight cut to the width of the door opening, or in some cases rebaited to form a horn around the external brickwork as more of a feature. Fit the sill end caps to the sill with superglue. Place the sill in position and check the level. If needed, use packers to make it level. Once the sill is level, remove and seal underneath with enough sealant to hold in place. Run a bead of silicone along the edge and sill upstand before fixing the door to prevent the possibility of water blowing through the joint and moisture from tracking along the sill and into the brickwork. Remove the corner protectors and protection tape. Fit the handle before fitting the door into the aperture.